Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to make a variable names. So variable names is a variable for our names. A variable can have a short name like x and y or a more descriptive names such as age, core name, or total volume. There are 4 rules for Python variables. First, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Second, a variable name cannot start with a number. Third, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Fourth, variable names are case sensitive, such as age with all letters is lowercase and age with all letters is uppercase and age with one of letter is uppercase and the others are uppercase. So these three words are 3 different variables. Now there are 2 legal variable names and illegal variable names. What I mean legal variable names is the variable names that execute successfully in Python. And meanwhile, illegal variable names is the variable names that failly execute in Python. Okay, now I want to show you legal variable names. So there are 3 legal variable names in Python. Okay, first, let's go. First, my var. First, print my var. My var is in lowercase. Okay, it is first legal variable name. Second, there is my with lowercase underscore var with lowercase. First, print. It is the third variable name. Sorry, it is the second variable name. Now the third, underscore my var underscore my underscore var phrase underscore my underscore var. All letters is in lowercase. It's the third variable name. For the fourth, my with lowercase, my var with lowercase except v is in uppercase. It is fourth variable name. And the fifth, my var in uppercase, all letters. It is the fifth variable name. And the last variable name my var2 with all letters in lowercase. And it is the sixth variable name. Okay, that's all for variable names. What I mean is legal variable names. And example for illegal variable names. Okay, I will give you 3 examples for illegal variable names. First, to my var with all letters in lowercase. Okay. Second example for illegal variable name, my var so it cannot be executed by the program. For the last, my var it's the same as the above example. Okay, that's all. Hopefully this video is useful, guys, and see you in the next video.